Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make some apricot crumble cookies for you. Let's get started. Butter. Beat for a while. Powdered sugar. Continue mixing. Egg. Vanilla. Lime zest. Lime juice. Mix thoroughly. Flour. Mix completely. Put it in nylon and flatten it. Leave it into a fridge for 30 minutes. Flour. Powdered sugar. Cold butter. Mash well. Cold water. Finally, you should get crumbled pieces. Take the dough out of the fridge and spread out with a rolling pin. Make pieces with a stencil cutter. Place the pieces in the muffin liner. Apricot marmalade. Place crumble pieces on them. Bake for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh cookies. Thank you for watching and happy baking.